For the hundreds in attendance and for the thousands watching around the world through social media. Kanhanga Tawason Mandawi City. Baka na! Okay, Team Cebu City will battle against Team Mandawi. Team Mandawi, Apon Jobel Rigi, and Team Cebu City, Kulapo Jobert Shantoy. Okay, game 1 of Division 3. And this game is presented to you by Rigi, the Silent Assassin Promotion. And is sponsored by Bus Rigi B. Husano and family. Thank you so much, Bus Rigi B. Husano and family, for sponsoring the bakbakan here in Kanghangap. Okay. Points scored by Team Mandawi. 1-0 na. 1-0. Team Mandawi draws first blood. Service upon Jobert to Jubil. Overhead. Inside the box. Shout out ni Konsihal Rolly Tibon coming from Pilmar. 2-0 na to score. Here comes Sapon serving. Jobert to the Silent Assassin. Shant Allen firing. Shant Allen again overhead. Answer by Apon. Ito. Wow, kuha pa na ito Jobert Pasinas. Diara, kanlok ang Team Cebu City. Side out. 2-0 ang na to score. Cebu City's turn to serve. Kini para uno. Jobert before sing. Bang! Hard shot coming from Team Cebu City. Countered by Apon. Kulapo is the best. Firing. Rigi. Taray Sibol. Shot to overhead. Kuha pa. Wala. Wait. Scored by Team Cebu City. Sabot panganod. Ono dos na. Servisyo Kulapo. Gikalita sila Kulapo. 2 igualis na. Sa atong game 1. 2 igualis. O atong linya. Atong kausa na. Palihogan ko. Inyong mga tail. Ikawas na sa linya. Kaya bular ba ni? Wala, milaras na.
Ball kay.
Ito Shantoy. Assault. Landing cleanly. Point scored by Team Cebu City. Ganda na patama ni Shantoy. 3-2 na. 1 point lead in favor of Team Cebu City. Shantoy again on the attack. Shantoy nakatok mode. Too strong. Out ball. 3-2 sa bola sa Team Mandawi. Game 1 of Division 3. May event bakbakan na ito nila. Tuara, Kulapo, let it fly. Upon firing. Answer by Shantoy. Ito. Lupit ni Shantoy. Pinaakyat ni Shantoy yung bola. Side out. Bola sa Team Cebu City. Here comes Mr. Explosive. Jobert Barcinas of Team Cebu City. The team captain. Jobert. To Hapon. Point scored for Team Cebu City. 4-2 na. Ito na naman si Mr. Explosive. Point. Ibalian si Hapon. 5-2 na. 3 puntos na kalamangan in favor of Team Cebu City. Servisyo. Jobert. Jobert. Out. Gapangut si Jobert Barcinas. Okay, bola sa Team Mandawi. Here comes the Silent Assassin, the team captain of Team Mandawi, Richie Caban. Serving. Kulapo to Jubel. Shantoy overhead. Answer to arah. Tumagos ang tira ni Shant Allen. Servisyo Shant Allen. Tora Jobert. Answer by Rigi. Shantoy. Ito, nagkaputo ka na. Naku, bikila to tinagapang mood. Change score. Okay, Team Cebu City is leading. Atong score niya, 6-2, leading by 4 points ang Team Cebu City. On this halftime is brought to you by the Crunchy at Tasty Maricel Anthony Chicharon, pwedeng ulamin sa sarap. O kang kanan ni Maria along Ace R. Perodias, Kansohong, Talisay City. Reggie, wala. Lupit ni Hapon. Reggie Caban, answered by Mr. Explosive Tuara. Ipakamong. To the rescue si Hapon. Laka niya. Spartan shot. Coming from Siant Alin Labra. Naghalimaw na si Siant Alin Labra.
Kalimaw na pangak.
City. Wah! Sablay, sumablay si Mr. Explosive Jobert Barcinas. Ball position for Team Mandawi. Here comes Hapon. Tuara, Jubilukante, natawa Zunigal. Tuara. Point scored by Team Mandawi. Ilan na niya? 3. Servisyo, Hapon. Tapok man tayo skanding bunalan. Pangkudetin. Hawan pas kang manang. Atong score 4.
4 City.
City. 4 City. 3 puntos ang kalamangan in favor of Team Cebu City. Sir comes Hapon. Tuara. I-blockingan din siya to pero hindi umubra. Point. 5. City. Duha na lailabaw. Servisyo. Tora, Hapon.
Out.
Away.
Sai City.
Sai City na. We have a ball game. Isang puntos na lang ang gaman. Tora. Iyay ka. Nice defense. Bang! Grabe yan. Pagkakat yan po rin. Lahat tayo Grabe spin na to.
Gilantan pa kayo na.
Iguales na. Gilantan pa kayo na to. Wala po. Turiji la. Siant Allen. Binumpa sa ere. Siant Allen again. Grabe pinagkitan dipinsa ni Hapon. Ganda ng dipinsa ni Hapon. Jobil Ducante. Bang! Jobil Barcinas. In the front line. No good. Susan Roses within striking distance na ba? Si Jobert na to. My God, wamusod. Also City na. Change favor. Milabaw na ang Team Mandawi. Game 1 na to. Sa ato ang main event magbakan. Tuara! Atake ni Santoy. Iyay ka. Aksyon tapok. Lubog na nun. Hapon. Bill to Bill. Wah! Tuara Hapon. Sibuyukan Hapon. Jobert. Laras. Laras si Siant Allen. Tinapos ni Siant Allen. Side out. Bola sa Team Cebu City. Servisyo. Kulapos na bes. Kini para out Sablay si Rigi. Point scored by Team Cebu City. Iguales 8 na. It all you can. Iguales 8. Last four. Kinsa kayo kaunaan is finish line. Tuaras kulapo na pabuto. Iku ay. Sus! Grabe ha, gamay lang Sugam laras kulapo 8-9 na. Servisyo kulapo, tuara Hapon. Yay! Daraw bilhin. Grabe plastada Jobert. Kita kayo nyo? Open space, batted by Mr. Explosive Jobert Barcinas. Atong score niya, idol. 9. Gis 8. Gis 8 ha. Defense Team Mandawi. Hapon. Tuara laras Luigi Caban. Tuara iyay kamang na. Daga Jumel. Kamang Ilpin. My goodness Luigi Caban. 11. 8 na. Last ball for Team Cebu City sa game 1 for the win. Para daw servisyo ko Lapoy sa best on the way. Reggie, kailangan may dipinsa sa Team Mandawi. Okay, na-side out sa Team Mandawi. Ito, pagkakataon sa Team Mandawi para habulin ang Team Cebu City. Reggie Gaban! Tusiantoy, gibundak ka, no eh? Susan Roses.
Layo na ng Alkin, oy. Alkin ba? Layo na ng Alkin.
8-11. Service of Mr. Explosive. Jobert Presenas for the win. Jobert. Apon Villaras. What a shot. Away, away. Side out. Another chance for Team Mandawi. Buhay pa ang Team Mandawi. Still alive and kicking. Here comes the silent assassin. Para maybe. Taral mo na lang rin. Kabantok ato eh. Bang! Out to the blow. Wild shot coming from Jubil Ducante. 8-11. Maglakaw ng Santo yung downtown. Service yung Santo eh. Reggie. Tarap pinumpasin eh. Nako! Bang! Two shot ni Santo eh. Ang ganda na ginawa ni Santo eh. Pang MBB mo. Okay, panalo na ang Team Cebu City sa Game 1. Game 2 coming up next.